are doing the Remote Control Ecto 1, which I really want to open this up, so let's begin. Okay, so let's begin opening this up. You can see that it looks like it's already been opened. You can tell that I changed my clothes, right? Well, this is a few days later, and we had to get these screws, because guess what? These screws were so tiny for this thing. So this is a few days later. But you can tell that we are going to do spin around, but before we do it. So this is the Ecto 1, and you'll know it from Ghostbusters and all that stuff. It's a remote control, even though button it goes, oh, it's not working right now, but it goes, ow, ow, ow. It's really cool. But this is the remote, and we're going to test it out on the floor, so we have to do it. So, you ready? Yes. Oh,
Oh, stop. I'll get it. Go slowly with it.
okay. So how you turn the wheels?
That way. See, you turn it that way, it goes that way. You turn it this way, forward, it goes that way. Then you hit the trigger really slow.
Whoa!
It doesn't go in reverse.
Oh no. It doesn't go in reverse. That'll be the best thing ever, because I think I should have.
No, you just gotta push that trigger slow.
Uh-oh.
Okay, hit that trigger slow.
Okay, ready? I want to go in. Boom! Roxy? Yeah. Oh no. That's it. Oh God! It's a haunted rental car. Oh no! Oh no! No!
It finally fell off.
Yeah. Okay, let's give this a super thumbs up, and hope you subscribe, leave a comment down below. Well, I want to say bye-bye, everyone. Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters might need their driver's license revoked.
Yeah, I think they did. But this is the worst driving ever. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.